Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best digital clamp meters that you can buy right now. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, having the right clamp meter can make all the difference. We'll break down the pros and cons of each model to help you make an informed decision. So, let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Habotest HT206 digital clamp meter. The Habotest HT206 digital clamp meter is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and hobbyists in the electrical field. Its thoughtful design and advanced features aim to deliver precision and safety in electrical diagnostics. Here's an in-depth look at the device, including its benefits and potential drawbacks. Pros: Orange backlight high voltage alert. The HT206 is equipped with an intelligent safety feature, an orange backlight that automatically activates when the voltage exceeds 80 V or the current surpasses 3A. This visual alert enhances user safety by drawing attention to potentially hazardous conditions, helping reduce the risk of accidents during electrical work. High precision current measurement. The clamp meter excels in delivering accurate measurements for both AC and DC currents. This level of precision is crucial for diagnosing electrical systems effectively, making it a reliable choice for troubleshooting and routine maintenance. VFD functionality. A standout feature of the HT206 is its ability to handle variable frequency drives without distortion. This ensures that measurements remain accurate even in environments with high frequency harmonics, which is essential for working with modern electrical systems. Patented clamp head design. The unique patented design of the clamp head improves its grip on conductors, enhancing both accuracy and usability. This thoughtful feature makes it easier to secure the device in place during measurements, even in challenging conditions. Easy battery replacement. Replacing batteries in the HT206 is a breeze, thanks to its easy-to-remove battery cover. The meter operates on 3 AAA batteries, which are widely available. Its low power consumption further extends battery life, ensuring consistent performance with minimal interruptions. Durable and user-friendly design. Built for demanding environments, the HT206 combines robust construction with ergonomic design. Its durability ensures it can withstand rigorous use, while the comfortable grip and intuitive layout make it a practical tool for extended periods of work. Cons: Limited display size. While the HT206 offers accurate readings, its display might feel a bit cramped for users who prefer larger screens. This could make it slightly challenging to view readings in low light conditions, despite the backlight feature. The Habotest HT206 digital clamp meter is a well-rounded tool that combines safety, precision, and practicality. Its features like the orange backlight alert, high-precision measurements, and patented clamp head design make it a reliable choice for everyday electrical diagnostics. Coming in at number 4, the GVDA GD168B digital clamp meter. The GVDA GD168B digital clamp meter is a multifunctional tool designed to cater to various electrical and electronic diagnostics and maintenance needs. Its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design makes it a popular choice among technicians and DIY enthusiasts. This video is a detailed review of the meter, focusing on its pros and cons. Pros: Comprehensive measurement capabilities. The meter supports a wide range of measurements, including AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, diode testing, continuity, and more. Its versatility ensures it can handle most diagnostic tasks efficiently. HD color LCD display. The high-definition color LCD display with a 6000 count resolution enhances readability and clarity. This makes it easier to interpret data, especially in low-light environments or when working with fluctuating measurements. Non-contact voltage detection. The non-contact AC voltage measurement feature is a significant safety enhancement. It allows users to detect voltage without direct contact, reducing the risk of electrical shock during testing. AC inrush current measurement. The ability to measure inrush current is particularly useful for analyzing the power demands of electrical devices at startup, ensuring circuits can handle the surge. Safety features. Functions like live wire detection and over-range indication add layers of safety. These features prevent accidental contact with live circuits and alert users when measurements exceed safe ranges. The max/min value measurement helps track fluctuating signals. The auto power off feature conserves battery life, while the low voltage display ensures users are alerted when the battery needs replacement. The DCA0 function improves the accuracy of DC current readings. Cons. Potential over-reliance on auto features. Auto functions like auto power off and over-range indication are convenient but might interrupt tasks if the user forgets to disable them during prolonged measurements. The GVDA GD168B digital clamp meter is a feature-rich and versatile tool that caters to a wide range of electrical testing and diagnostic needs. Its HD color display, non-contact voltage detection, and safety-focused features make it a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. At number 3, we have the Snakol SK213 digital clamp meter. The Snakol SK213 digital clamp meter is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with electrical systems. Packed with user-friendly features and intelligent upgrades, it offers practicality and reliability in various work environments. Here's an in-depth look at its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right tool for you. Pros. Enhanced visibility. The inclusion of a flashlight and a backlit screen is a game-changer for working in low light or dimly lit conditions. The flashlight illuminates the workspace, while the backlit screen ensures that readings are easily visible, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Accommodates larger cables. With its 25 mm jaw opening, the Snakol SK213 can measure a wide range of wire sizes and cables, including thicker or bundled conductors. This makes it a practical choice for both small-scale and industrial applications. Clear display. The bright and clear backlit screen minimizes eye strain and provides excellent readability, even in challenging environments. This feature ensures that users can focus on their tasks without struggling to decipher measurements. Versatility in measurement. The SK213 offers multiple measurement functions, allowing users to measure voltage, current, resistance, and other parameters. Its versatility makes it suitable for various electrical tasks, from simple troubleshooting to complex diagnostics. Upgraded intelligence. The upgraded intelligence in the Snakol SK213 enhances its usability and accuracy. These advancements ensure that the device performs reliably, making it a trustworthy companion for electrical measurements. Cons. Size and portability. While the larger jaw opening is beneficial for measuring bigger cables, it might make the device slightly bulkier than compact clamp meters. This could be a consideration for users who prioritize portability. The Snakol SK213 digital clamp meter is a robust and versatile tool, well suited for professionals and enthusiasts tackling diverse electrical tasks. Its standout features, such as the flashlight, backlit screen, large jaw opening, and upgraded intelligence, make it a reliable and user-friendly choice. Next up at number 2 is the Aneng PN106 digital clamp meter. The Aneng PN106 digital clamp meter is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its ability to handle a broad range of electrical and electronic measurements, it stands out as a reliable option for troubleshooting tasks. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of this device. Pros. Versatile measurement functions. The Aneng PN106 is a multifunctional meter capable of measuring AC/DC voltage, AC current, resistance, audible continuity, diode functionality, temperature, capacitance, and frequency. This versatility makes it a go-to tool for electricians, engineers, and hobbyists alike. Non-invasive AC current measurement. One of the standout features of the PN106 is its ability to measure AC current without requiring circuit disconnection. The clamp design allows users to measure live circuits safely and efficiently, which is particularly advantageous for diagnosing electrical issues in operational systems. High precision in DC voltage measurements. The meter excels in measuring DC voltage with impressive precision. With an accuracy of up to 31.28 V, it's ideal for applications that demand reliable readings, such as testing battery performance or troubleshooting DC circuits. Reliable AC voltage measurement. The PN106 can measure common AC voltages, including those exceeding 220 V, making it suitable for household and industrial use. Its reliability in this domain ensures consistent performance for standard electrical systems. Additional measurement capabilities. The inclusion of diode and frequency measurement features adds extra utility. Testing diodes to identify positive and negative poles is crucial for electronic repairs, while frequency measurement aids in analyzing AC voltage signals, such as those at 50 Hz. Cons. Build quality concerns. Some users have reported concerns regarding the durability of the clamp mechanism. While adequate for standard use, heavy-duty applications might lead to quicker wear and tear. The Aneng PN106 digital clamp meter is a practical and versatile tool that offers excellent value for its range of features. While it shines in its ability to handle standard electrical measurements and non-invasive current testing, it may not satisfy users seeking advanced functionalities or highly durable construction. Finally, at number 1, we have the UNI-T UT206B digital clamp meter. The UNI-T UT206B digital clamp meter is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of professionals and enthusiasts in the electrical and electronic fields. It combines robust functionality, precision, and user-friendly features, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. This video explores the pros and cons of the UNI-T UT206B, providing insights to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros. Comprehensive measurement capabilities. The UNI-T UT206B can measure AC/DC current up to 1000 A, voltage, resistance, continuity, and perform diode testing. Its true RMS measurement ensures accurate readings, especially for non-sinusoidal waveforms, which are common in modern electronic systems. High-precision temperature measurement. With a resolution of 0.1 C, the meter allows precise temperature measurements, broadening its application in various scenarios. Extended current measurement range. The included flexible current probe extends the AC current measurement range to an impressive 3000 A, making it suitable for heavy-duty industrial applications. User-friendly features. Large LCD display. The backlit screen enhances readability, even in dimly lit environments. Flashlight. Integrated lighting is a thoughtful addition for working in dark spaces. Data hold function. This allows users to freeze readings for later reference. Additional modes. The max/min/relative mode offers enhanced data analysis options, making troubleshooting and diagnostics more efficient. High safety standards. The meter complies with Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V safety ratings, ensuring it can handle high-energy environments securely. Its C and ETL certifications further validate its reliability and safety for professional use. Cons. Bulky design. The addition of the flexible current probe and high-capacity measurements results in a slightly bulkier design, which might be less convenient for those needing a compact tool for quick checks. The UNI-T UT206B digital clamp meter is a reliable and versatile tool, excelling in measurement accuracy and safety. Its broad functionality and user-friendly design make it a strong choice for professionals handling complex electrical diagnostics. However, its size and absence of wireless features may deter those seeking a more portable or connected device.